How can we effectively install our server on various competitor physical sites? If you type in the competitor sites, these competitor sites are essentially online platforms with a significant number of servers and a multitude of potential vulnerabilities. We can certainly practice our skills and techniques on them, absolutely, without any hesitation. If you type doing Google, let's talk about the Metasploit table. You simply click on it, and that's precisely all you need to do. And if you proceed with that action, there will be absolutely no problem whatsoever. The very first thing that will prominently show up for you is this particular item, and the subsequent download will arrive as a comprehensively compressed file. You just need to click right here, and then you will most certainly find that the entire file has been successfully downloaded and is ready for your use. All right? And then you extract that file. All right? Which means you unzip it and then you go in. I've already downloaded the main file for you to save time in the video. All right, let's open it. All right, we open it, do what we need, select, and go to the file after we've extracted it. You'll find a file name, double-click on it. All right, and it will open up like this. First, we do OK, then we'll select the last one. That's it, we do. And then what do you want to name yours? We will call it OK, all right? We can definitely agree on that, can't we? And you choose the location of the file. It's better if you do it like I did. Just a second. Go to and select the Kali one. It's best if you make a folder like I did, where you put everything in it, just like I did. All right? It's recommended. We'll do, and we'll write. One second. First, you need to save the current game progress, then locate and select the Table Tool option. After that, click the OK button to confirm your selection. Proceed to the next step by clicking Next. Finally, complete the process by clicking Finish. All right, wait until the loading finishes, then you can power on the machine. It'll work normally with you, and I'll run it now, just 1 second. To create this virtual machine, just wait for it to load with us. I'm not pausing the video so that if any problem comes up, I can solve it with you. Right? But God willing, there won't be any problem. All right, as you can clearly observe, it is indeed actively running, demonstrating its operational status for a variety of essential services. This includes critical functions such as SQL databases, secure FTP file transfers, and a comprehensive array of other vital network services. And wow, it's truly impressive to see that it supports numerous additional services as well. Isn't that remarkable? All right, everything appears to be functioning perfectly. And these services, we're training on them and learning how we can choose these things. How can we discover them? The machine is our specific problem here. You can't do this or try to hack someone's website because you can't do that since you could be held legally responsible. As you can see, the users, they also worked with us. It's running on a DOS interface, as you can see. There's no graphics on the internet like Parrot or Windows. The login for Metasploitable, the server. The server admin, that's the username. Just hit enter. And the password is also MSFadmin. You'll find that it works with you. Let's run ifconfig, the isconfig command, so we can find out about the network settings. Like, for example, the gateway, the mask, and things like that. All right? just so the interface shows up for you. You'll press Control-Alt just so the interface appears for you. To type any command, just click on the screen like this and type normally. You'll type, okay? Press Control-Alt so the interface appears. If you don't switch to the screen, you won't be able to type anything. It just won't work. All right? Very. So now we were able to, even if we try, we can estimate the percentage of the metasample table.